3, 2, 1.
What is the more common term for a person from Nevada? The answer is C, Nevadan. Metabolism is the sum of all catabolic and which other reactions in the body? The answer is B, anabolic. What was the original name of the TV show Friends before its premiere? The answer is D, Five Couples. I am a land of the midnight sun, yet my capital is one of the coldest cities in the world. Where am I? The answer is C, Finland. The Giant Jack Rabbit was one of the most watched episodes in TV history. What was the Giant Jack Rabbit? The answer is D, a kangaroo. Which author wrote Call of the Wild? The answer is D, Jack London. In which game would you find Witcher character Geralt of Rivia? The answer is A, World of Warcraft. The moon revolves around the Earth because of a non-contact force. What force of Earth keeps the moon in orbit? The answer is D, gravitational force. What is the first name of Casanova, the most popular lover ever born? The answer is C, Giacomo. What word is used in the NATO phonetic alphabet for the letter P? The answer is D, Bravo. With which sport is David Beckham associated? The answer is B, football. Who was the commander of the Iraqi forces during the Gulf War in 1991? The answer is A, Saddam Hussein. Which is the only mammal that can lay eggs? The answer is B, platypus. Dustin Hoffman does not appear in which of the following movies? The answer is C, The Squid and the Whale. What is the simple sugar that living things use to store energy? The answer is B, glucose. What occurs when substances move from areas of lower to higher concentration or when very large molecules are transported? The answer is B, active transport. The Space Needle, Seattle's 184-meter-high symbol, is featured in the logo of which popular sitcom? The answer is D, Frasier. Which planet has rings made of ice and rock? The answer is B, Neptune. The Sphinxes, the popular legendary creatures of the ancient Egyptians, could be depicted with 3 different heads. Which head that was not typical for the Sphinx? The answer is A, snake head. What is the study of consumer behavior called? The answer is C. Fiscal policy. Who was the leader of ancient Egypt's New Kingdom? The answer is C. Ramses Roman II. How many fingers does a single human hand have? The answer is B. 4. Lusaka is the capital of which African country? The answer is A. Zambia. What home improvement character was Tim's assistant on the Tool Time show? The answer is C. Al Borland. What is the mathematical study of rigid motions and spatial transformations? The answer is C. Projective geometry. Which architect is known for his international style of modern architecture? The answer is A. Mies van der Rohe. Elizabeth Taylor played the passionate, sexually frustrated Maggie in the movie Cat on a Hot Tin Roof. Who wrote the Pulitzer Prize-winning play on which the movie is based? The answer is D. Tennessee Williams. As the second largest automobile producer of 2006 for the United States, Toyota surpassed which company in the third place? The answer is D. Ford Motor Corporation. I am the only word that sounds the same backward as forward, but if you add one letter, it becomes another word for a sleeping room. What is it? The answer is A. Race car. Which language has the largest number of words for colors? The answer is A. Chinese. How many sheep per person are there in New Zealand? The answer is C. 12. What kind of creature is the leprechaun in Irish mythology? The answer is B. Fairy. This novel opens with the question, who is John Galt? The answer is D. Atlas Shrugged. In what war had Neil Armstrong served before becoming an astronaut? The answer is C. Korean War. How do yeasts reproduce? The answer is A. Asexually. Which of the following is not one of the traps that must be overcome in the movie The Lavitude of the Crusade before getting to the Holy Grail? The answer is D. The Cup of God. Who created The Simpsons? The answer is A. Matt Groening. Which country has the official name Kingdom of Sweden? The answer is D. Sweden. What is the state of matter that resembles a gas, but has certain properties that a gas does not have called? The answer is B. Plasma. What is used to hold papers together? The answer is C. Stapler. What is a common name for a vacuum cleaner accessory? The answer is A. Brush. What former Major League Baseball shortstop, who at the time played for the New York Mets, got into a fight with Pete Rose during the 1973 playoffs? The answer is A. Bud Harrelson. The back and forth on daily routine in the sky happens how often? The answer is A. One time during the single rotation. What is the name of the major components of cell membranes called? The answer is B. Phospholipids. Which of these is not a type of conic section? The answer is D. Ray. Which river flows through the Grand Canyon in the United States? The answer is B. Mississippi. What is the name of the nutty saber-toothed male squirrel from Ice Age, Dawn of the Dinosaurs? The answer is A. Scrat. In the Buffy the Vampire Slayer episode Nightmares, which of these was not one of Buffy's fears? The answer is C. Having to sing in public. In which decade did The Twilight Zone premiere? The answer is A. 1950s. Which gas giant has a great red spot?